Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I've just driven through quite a large rain and hailstorm to get here, but I'm going down to the seafront because I want to check up on the webcam there, because the image has been a bit washed out now. Fixing a washed out image when there are big storms going on is quite tricky, not because of the big storms themselves, but because, well, any image you take is going to look washed out really. But, so I'm just going to concentrate here. I have to go through the usual rigmarole of updating the firmware and resetting the camera, which is what I'm going to be doing today, before the support services at the camera company really kick into gear. And this is the first opportunity, because of the weather that I've had, of actually getting down here to reset it. I can update the firmware and all that remotely, but anyway, that's enough technical stuff. That's why I'm down here. I wasn't going to film this, but it's dry here. Well, it's not raining. I mean, you can see there's lots of water on the road. But at the moment it's not raining, so I thought I could do a quick film as well, so we could have a look around Kato Paphos. See what's what. Looking at the webcam itself, it does look like there's a lot more seaweed and stuff washed up on the seafront itself, and I may do a walkie-talkie along there today. I'm not sure. I'm going to reserve my judgment until I've done the webcam, because that's the prime thing I've got to do. I've actually got an umbrella with me though, which is unusual for me. So anyway, we've just gone past King's Avenue Mall and we're coming past the catacombs on our left, heading down towards the harbour. What I'll do is take the turning at St Paul's Pillar, I think, and drive through Kato Paphos that way. I'll probably go up to the Triangle and then come down Poseidonos Avenue. And there's that shrine tree, all the ribbons tied to it. I can actually see some blue sky now. I mean, in Palermo it was hail, and a mix of hail and rain really. This is all good news for the reservoirs though. I mean, roll on even more weather like this, to be honest, because we need it desperately. And if you are here on holiday, wait for it to stop raining, then get yourselves down to the archaeological park, so it looks spectacular. All the dust will have been washed off the outdoor relics, and the mosaics will look beautiful. No, you don't come down there, it's a one-way street, mate. So we've got the Sofianna Resort up here on the left, Ace's Bar on the right, and I'll do what I did last time actually, because that's more interesting, I think. I'll go up here and turn right rather than go down that one. Now, in previous years, storms here have brought down lots of branches, but that hasn't happened yet, which is a good sign. Lots of puddles everywhere, though. And there are people out cleaning up all the leaves and stuff. This is bringing us down onto Bar Street. Ooh, nice big bounce. It's just gone 9 o'clock on Tuesday morning, I should add. So there won't be a great deal to see here at this time of day. There's flares and buggles and bubbles, bugles or whatever I can remember now. Got the rundown area. And then we have the Keg and Barrel up this end, Poseidonos Avenue, and Colsa Restaurant on the left. There's Poseidonos Avenue water feature. Don't know if it's turned on or not at the moment. Doesn't appear to be on. Wonder why. No matter. I suppose when it's raining like this, you don't really need a water feature, do you? Wait for our turn. So there's T&J's Fish and Chips in front of us. And we're going to turn left first of all. And we'll concentrate on the restaurants. And we'll concentrate on the left-hand side. There you go. Lots of these nice restaurants here. Highly recommend. Slightly cheaper when you get at the Sea Front and Harbour. Oh, look at that wind in the palms. There we go. There's Limnaria West Park on the left. The webcam's not picking up too many drips of water. Not webcam, roof cam. And now we're coming to the old Aloe Hotel. Now just a ruin, unfortunately. Awaiting a new fate, followed by the two towers of Soho. That's what they're called. Yes, there's definitely a bit of a gale blowing. And we're coming up to a triangle, and you got Felix, the bar, that used to be on Bar Street. They moved it. And Rimini Restaurant on both sides of the road here. Cyprus Tavern. And you've got the Avanti Hotel opposite us. All clear, so we're going round. Then you've got the Olympic Lagoon Resort. They're currently getting renovated. And Beer Belly. Oh, empty roads, I like this. And you got the Shamrock Irish Bar on the left, and the M4 Resort and Suite 48 behind that, which is a very nice place. So now, oh my word, can you hear that wind? I hope the camera stays on okay. We're coming up to Sodat Beach and the Antasia Beach Bar, followed by the Avanti couples only hotels. Not the Avanti, the Amavi. God. Amateur. This is Gale's putting me off. I hope my camera's going to be okay. And then you got Alexander the Great Hotel. There he is on his horse. I'll blow the cobwebs away. And there's Almira Spa. And after the Almira Spa, we'll have the Almira Hotel. And there you have it on the left. And the final hotel on the hotel strip is the Annabelle. Oh, and at the top end of Bar Street, there's another, I think it's the Animi Hotel, just to the left of Keg and Barrel. Well, I mentioned it. I keep getting told off for not mentioning it. It's because I forget, because I'm old. These things happen. Right, we've got Pinguino's restaurant coming up on the right, followed by Gourmet Taverna and Tea for Two, and there's the seafront. Well, I'm going to have to go and film that. Look at all those waves. Oh yes. I go nice and slowly there. So you can see that. Thanks to the 360. And we'll go down to the seafront this way anyway. Once this chap gets on the pavement. Oh, lots of big waves. This is what we like. Got to do the webcam first though. Got to focus on my priorities. Technically, the webcam, it's not going to go any very good way. No. I'll be going left here. Oh. Oh, you can see sea crashing on the concrete wall by the castle, which is topical because they're talking of getting rid of that. There's no seaweed at this end though. There was by the webcam image. I can't drive there. There is some there, interestingly enough, though, which I say interestingly because there's a sea wall there, and people say, oh, we should have a sea wall all the way along. Well, it doesn't seem to do that much of a job of stopping the seaweed. Anyway, let's go and do my webcam duty, so I'll turn in here and find a space to park. I forgot to actually check the availability, but I can see one now, so I'm going to go in here. All that remains for me to say is thank you very much for watching, and yet again we shall see you. Oh, someone else is coming in there. I'll go in here in the next film. Cheers.